So this is second map, Galby, King Demolizh, or Demolizh, just what is that, King Demolizh, all plays and Gunfill. We're up 1-0, as you see, the connection is perfectly fine. I shit on Demolizh right here. Okay. I just want you to witness something, that everything is fine, everything's moving fine. See the bars? I could pause on it for you to show you that the bars are fine. Everything's going good. And then when I bring up the scoreboard again, look how everyone won bars. Start skipping, everyone's one barring. And Gunfill left the party, and now he's offline. See, then my screen will go black. And then my screen went black, and I saved the clip. And then if I go up here, you see that I lost connection to the host. So yeah, King Demolizh just flood. I'll bring up the match right here. You see the names. Biolab, Riot, Recovery. You see the names right there. So yeah, Gunfill got flooded by one of them. That's a forfeit. Thank you for your time.